Damn, that's actually so good. The best lemon tart ever. Hello. So today I'm going to make the best lemon tart in the entire world, and I can say that with so much confidence because I have a lot of experience in lemon tarts. Eating experience, I've never really made one before, but I am very confident in myself. So let's go. Things we're gonna need. This is my sous chef. Okay, now first we will make the crust tart thing. Move your leg. You have to mix the flour, sugar, and salt together. Thank you.
Oh, making some lemon tarts.
You are out of this video. Leave. Out of the camera. Damn annoying.
That's normal.
Extra.
This is normal. This is normal. Using that to cut it.
So hot. Whisk together and then
Add sugar.
I've literally never kneaded dough before. Not N-E-E, K-N-E-A-D. Like, I don't know how to do this, so this is my first time. But I can tell you something with absolute confidence. This is the best lemon tart anyone has ever made and had. Whisk the yolk and some cream together. Took a break because we have to make the dough sit. What is he doing?
My knee is hurting, so I'm doing exercise.
I am back. I'll take the dough out, but I'll also start making the curd to put in the thing. For the curd, half cup lemon juice, 2 tablespoon lemon zest, sugar, butter, eggs, 4 eggs, 2 yolks, lemons. Okay, I can't do this. I'm a boti lagu.
A bow tie.
This is a boti. Boti te legu kar do. I don't want to cut. I'm a lemon cutting genius. I'm not. I'm really not. I am really not. কি করতে হবে? Take out the recipe. Medium heat क्या है?
This is the second step. First, whisk together and set aside.
Eggs. তো ঠিকই তো একই তো জিনিস হলো.
2 yolks, 4 eggs.
You can take out the yolk. 2 yolks, 4 eggs, right?
4 eggs cut.
Egg 1.
Wipe the hands.
Yeah, that oven.
Which one?
Blue one. On top of the oven.
What one?
Oven.
What color did you say?
That blue.
This is blue.
उसके ऊपर देखो. Usually eat this. I will. You'll see me eat all of this after I'm done juicing them. What I usually do with every lemon is
You need another full thing of butter.
lemon thick. No.
Medium flame. Stir until butter is melted and it's bubbling. Then remove from heat and drizzle into the eggs mixture. Basically, just drizzle this into that slowly but off the flame.
While you do this, I can put the dough. I have to get the oven on this side. taken the dough out. Yes, I've buttered the pan. My dough. I'm doing the pan. You can taste and see. You can see if it's thick enough. You will see. You will understand the texture. No, is it? Have you tasted it? I think it's lemony enough. But I feel like you need to keep stirring it because this is gonna take some time. So I don't know if you can just leave that be. Can you? No, no, don't keep it on the flame. I'm just saying. This place is like a sauna. It's hot as hell. ये होने में 20 minutes लगेगा. I think the tart shell might be too thick. What do you mean? It was just lemony enough. I just tasted it. You just want to hate on me. Okay, now this just has to form, and then we can put the thing in and then let it cool and then let it be in the fridge for about 2 hours. Basically, the last step, I have to put this curd on this, which is kind of big. And now we put this in for 10 minutes. So now I just have to take this out, cool it, and then put it in the fridge. Move it, because you're gonna get that's hot. Yeah, I'm going to put stuff on it to make it look nice. Okay, should I cut the decorated part? Taste test. Terrible reaction. It's good. I think the crust will form a little more. Damn, that's actually so good. I think the curd is really good. Proud of you. But I also squeezed the lemons for it, so proud of us. The crust is also nice. Give me some more. Okay, so I'm an expert in lemon tarts. Should I start a business, guys? Be serious. And it looks so good. My plating is amazing. Like I said, the best lemon tart ever. 10 on 10. Because 15 on 10 plating.
Because why the heck not?
I'm slipping your tagline in my video.
Come on,
Bye.